5 Best Remote Control. Here is the product number 5. 1 PC Wireless Auto Remote Control. All of our items are brand new. 1-to-1 key copy. Each key password alone safe. Can continuous repetitive copy use 1 million times. Privacy is strong. Working voltage, DC 12V, 27A battery including. Operating current, 8 mA. Working frequency, 433.92 MHz. Here is the product number 4. MX3L Backlit Air Mouse T3 Remote Control. System support, 1. Android OS. 2. Mac OS. 3. Linux. 4. Windows. Sensor, 3 gyro plus 3 sensor. The key number: 81 keys. Control distance, 8 meters. Battery type, AAA2 not included. Working power, less than 10 mAh in the work condition. Here is the product number 3. USB Wireless Presenter PPT Remote Control. The Wireless Presenter R400 is designed to help you make your point in a meeting. It's got a red laser pointer, is easy to see against most backgrounds and projection surfaces. Built-in slideshow buttons. Contoured one-touch keys for easy slideshow control. Lightweight, portable, comfortable handheld feeling. Plug and play, no software required, makes it simple to get started. Here is the product number 2. PPT Remote Control for PowerPoint Presentation. Contoured one-touch keys for easy slideshow control. Lightweight, portable, comfortable handheld feeling. Plug and play, no software required, makes it simple to get started. Red laser pointer with LED indicator, is easy to see against most backgrounds and projection surfaces. Storable receiver, easy to use, simply insert the receiver to USB port and it can be used immediately. Here is the product number 1. For Android TV Box Remote Control 3D Sense. Professional wireless mini remote and air mouse and 3D motion stick combo. Based on gyroscope MEMS system. 2.4 GHz wireless connection, up to 10 meters operation distance. Real plug and play. Mini air mouse with anti-shake algorithm, provides accurate MDG control of the mouse cursor. Ergonomic design for comfortable operation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like. Comment and share.